Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good Monday morning. Today is November 19th. I'm heading over to Miners Depot, the gold store. It's about 9 in the morning. And something came in that I ordered. So we're going to go pick it up. Thought I'd take you along. We'll check out their store too. It's kind of cool. Really well set up for Quartzsite. It's a major gold store. I mean, they sell everything there. All kinds of prospecting equipment. They own the claims that I go out on. They have a great club, local club. They do a lot of charity work. You know, it's very well organized. The young folks that own it, Blake and Lisa Harmon, they are 100% gold miners. Really cool. If you get in this area, you definitely got to stop and talk to them, check it out. Whether you buy anything or not, just stop, check it out. It's really a cool place. You'll see golden nuggets and all kinds of different equipment. Yeah, I'm just cutting through on the right. Up here is a community center. This is East Quail Trail. Or Quail Trail, east or west, I forget. Back there it was east. Anyway, we're going to make a right here. And this street up here is called Chandler. We're going to make a left. This is just kind of a shortcut back way over to Central Avenue. And off to the right is Town Park. That's where that Western Days was, Quartzsite Western Days over there. This is mainly all residential. A lot of homes. They all got like quarter, half, 1 acre parcels. Very nice area of town. If you watched yesterday's video, let me know what you think of that drone footage too. Put it down in the comments. I'd like to show more of that. Hey, directly across the street, there it is, Miners Depot. Let me get across here. You can always look for that big painted sign on their building, Miners Depot. Been here a long time. They got all kinds of good stuff. Okay, I'll get parked, switch cameras. We're going to go check out some gold mining equipment. I'll be back. Nice looking drywasher there. They got spirals. All kinds of mining. Look at all this stuff. You can definitely spend money here. And decent prices. I mean, they're competitive. A lot of used stuff. People trade in their old gold mining and whatnot. So you can always find something here. Alright, well, it's time to go inside. I'll do a quick run around with the camera. If he's got customers, I won't film very long. So let's go on in. What's new?
What's going on?
I'll get that washer.
I'll go get all your pieces together for you.
Okay.
Just a GoPro or what?
Yes, sir. Okay, look at all the detectors. Cool. I want one of each. Oh man. That's all I do is buy this stuff. Oh well, it's a fun hobby. Look at all the nuggets. I'll take 3 to go. Huh? Alright, I better quit goofing off. Come get what I came to get. Which you guys aren't going to see it yet. I'll show you there in a little bit. Alright, I shall return. Alright, let's head back to the RV park. I just got something. I can't wait to show you guys. So I need to hurry up and get home. How fast was that? Check it out. Got me a dry washer. Better yet, it's a battery operated one. It runs off 12 volt. Look at it, it's a Keene. It's used, who cares? But it's 12 volt and it's got a little puffer thing. That's a 12 volt motor, turns that bag there. Woof. Blows air up into the dirt, and that's what creates the dry wash. And even better, I got my portable solar panel, that 80 watt. Remember that from earlier this year? I knew I'd use it for something. Well, guess what? We'll just keep that battery charged all day long. I'm gonna have this a solar operated dry washer. Now, it's not a big high volume one like those ones with the big gas blowers. I didn't want something like that. I wanted something very small, portable, that I can just go out and play with and have fun. But there it is, solar powered dry washer. Okay, I turned the camera off. I just hooked up the solar panel. I'll show you. 13.5 volts. I don't think my battery that I have here is 5 years old, so I might have to get a new one. So it's shoving 13.5. That's an 80 watt panel. It's putting a charge in that battery right now. That's just that was actually in my old van, that battery, and I had it in the motorhome, but I don't think it's very good. But there it is. We're charging, so we got solar. So what I need to do now, I'm gonna shut the camera off a minute. I'm gonna hook up the wires to the dry washer and see if we can't make this thing turn. See what kind of a voltage drop I get too with that solar panel. I'll be back. Okay, got everything hooked up. The motor to the washer, dry washer, is hooked to the battery, excuse me. That's a variable speed, I can't talk today, variable speed controller. Hooks straight to the motor. Once again, that's 12 volt. Well, here we go. You've seen it here first. See if it works. Check it out. Squeaks and make noises like I do. Nice, it's working. Now with dirt, it needs dirt to make the air puff. So it's just empty, but it is working. Nice. This will be fun. Right there, you just shovel the dirt in. The fine stuff will go down into the tray. Then your gold will collect in those little riffles there. This is way too cool. And we're still at 13.1, so the battery is charging and we're running the motor. So I still don't think that battery is 100%. It's too old. I still might have to get one, but it'll be good enough to test. there you have it. A solar powered 12 volt dry wash system to take out in the desert, which we are going to this week. Find some gold. This is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget, travel safe. Guess what we're gonna go do? Talk soon all. Bye.